No way. No way, I'm not going to buy that.
I'm not going to buy that. Wait, I can't spend money on that. And I didn't even spend on this mic.
So, let's make it!
Oh yeah!
What you gonna need is craft wires. Next we'll need alligator clips.
If you don't find these alligator clips, you can easily get them.
Oh.
But it's better to use metal clips because the plastic ones may get melted.
Then we'll need a wooden piece or any heavy metal for the base. Then we'll need a magnifying glass, but it's not necessary. First we'll make 6 marks on the base piece. Then we'll make 6 holes in it. 2 for the solder iron, 2 for the magnifier and 2 for the clips. Then we'll cut out 2 equal pieces of craft wire, about 18 cm each, and attach the alligator clips to it. Next, we'll take another long piece and wrap it around the magnifier to fix it. Then we'll take an even longer piece of craft wire and wrap it around a cylindrical object to get a double spring like this. Then we'll insert this into 2 holes and bend it around. Then we'll make a latch to secure the arrangement. Then we'll hot glue the parts to secure them. Finally, we'll insert the parts and secure them with hot glue. So, we're done!
Hey, if you'd like to make more useful trash from useful trash, then subscribe right now. Also check out my other videos. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter to get the latest updates. Wahoo!